Assume the Sumi stance.
Yeah? Ready? Say that again.
Are you ready?
Yep. Oh, good.
This boy died.
Look, with your feet. With your feet going. Come on.
Yeah, I'm here, Peter. Okay, you're going to tell me all about the flowers in the garden.
There's the tiger lily, there's a yellow flower, and there's some yellow flowers. Those are just blooming. Can I go back, please?
What was that?
Can I go back, please?
Yeah, go swim. Thank you. Go. Swim.
There he goes, swim. There he goes. Great. That's just come around in the last.
Andrew, let's see that again.
That's just come around in the last month.
The last couple weeks.
Look at this little fish.
Great.
Look at this guy.
Who teaches the lessons at the club?
Oh, this young guy named Eric.
I was out there.
6'6", he's got blonde hair, all the girls are around him.
I was out there yesterday afternoon and played golf.
Hi, Peter. Peter, what are you doing?
Sat around the pool. What a
Where's your gun?
great-
Go get your gun. I want to take a movie of your gun. There it is. Go get your gun.
Okay.
Here, you want your dad to float around and drink
Oh
his
my
beer?
gosh.
Here.
I want to get on.
Oh, you're going to get on?
I gotta do the dive board again!
Deserves much better.
Dad,
Yeah?
Davis and I were screaming,
You want to take...
Ellen Bradley. La-dee-da.
hey, watch this, guys!
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Woo!
Swim to the side now. Use your arm. Woo!
He's going right along.
Use your arm. We started learning how to do the back stuff today.
Okay, climb on up.
Reese, jump out, or Ellen, jump off the diving board after Andrew and we'll watch.
Jump off the board.
Yeah, Fred will take a movie on you, Ellen.
We'll have Andrew Lander.
You know, I should show you those movies of these guys for Andrew's 3rd birthday party. We have about an hour of you and Reed and Ellen.
1 hour of it.
We do.
Oh, that was funny.
There we go.
Woo! And he's up swimming.
Reed is so small and Andrew's so small. Ellen still, seems sort of grown up, but
Yeah. Here's his little baby.
Okay, next contestant.
Peter was born. Peter's like 10 years old.
Yeah. She's gonna jump off. And
Ellen's gonna jump
here.
off.
Take the
Let's-
hand off of the nose. Nose. Woo!
Go, Ellen. Yay.
Swim, Ellen. Use those arms.
Peter.
Now's your chance. Get in the
What do you have there, Peter?
Honey,
Peter.
the kids, you know?
Caden, can you put Peter's water wings on him?
You show the kids know that you get to go to Roger Rabbit. Yeah, I saw Roger Rabbit. What?
Did you see, honey? You shrunk the kids, Anna.
Yeah, ever since you guys did, that's all he's talked about. He will not stop talking about it. It's driving me nuts.
Take a breath. Yeah. Yes.
One, two.
What? Here we go.
Stop it! Stop it!
Just get him back.
We'll have to go in the pool.
Bring it.
Let's see you do a cannonball.
I do it for your dad.
It's okay.
Your dad's got
Fred,
the camera on.
Stop, Fred.
Why?
Because I'm waiting for Jared
No.
Dad too. He's talking.
We're at the Leonardses here in Munster, Indiana. And we're having a Leonard's Casey Henderson Open. and we're real pleased to have you with us, Fred. Andrew is having a ball, and Peter's is taking a nap.
Oh, we have another narrator here.
No, I just wanted to say it's
Hey, Drew. Hey, Drew.
Oh, Fred, I wanted to tell you about the tennis match. I wanted to tell you about the tennis.
Oh, wait.
Still haven't seen.
Come on, here we are. Here we are. Remember, you got the top the right way. Top's closed. Ready? Now here we go.
Fred, come over here.
Get it up higher, 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 higher. This is how you make lemonade. You only make lemonade one way in your life, and then you go like this. This is how you make lemonade. I mean, don't you know? Here, look how you make lemonade. That's how lemonade's made. That gives you a good lemonade maker. That gives a good lemonade maker. You want to put this one in? All right. Now, get the big spoon. Get the big spoon. You gotta stir it. You gotta stir it. Now, let's give Bobby a bite. Want to give Bobby a bite?
Just got to say,
Come on, let's walk over here. Let's give Bobby a bite.
Mom, bite, Mommy.
Now, here, give Mommy a bite of lemonade. Yeah, Mommy, you gotta taste the lemonade. See if it's any good. Damn it.
Ah!
Mom loves lemonade.
Me too.
Mom loves lemonade.
Me too.
Mom loves lemonade.
Me too.
Here, hold on.
Give Bobby.
Stir it. Good, kid.
Andrew, may I have a sip?
Well, hang in there, Steve. I'm making it.
God knows.
Oh, wow.
He's been making it for an hour.
Let's go finish. Let's give Steve some. Steven, you ready?
I like the chlorine taste, Andrew.
Hey, Andrew, Bobby's talking to you.
Andrew, I like the chlorine taste.
Did you notice it's good for your insides? It cleans, it makes it whiter.
Yes.
I put some chlorine in it.
That's okay, Andy. Do I call you Drew or Andrew? Drew. I like Drew better.
We like Drew better too, Jared.
Here we are. Let's try one glass. Oh, you got a glass. You gonna try this glass? Here we go. Hold on. Come on, come here. Start over. Here, kid. Here, kid. Now try that. See if that's any better. Give me a sip. Is that any better? Watch them. Wow.
Hey, want it, Mommy? Good drink.
Bob, this is how you make a rum stone sour. Fred, are you watching? This is how you make
Fred,
a
you
rum
got the
stone sour. A dash of rum. Hey, Bobby. Andrew, come here. We gotta shake this up. Drew, let's show Susie how we shake this up. Stop. Drew and I are gonna shake this up. Put that down. Get out of the way, Steve. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Drew and I are doing this. Ready?
I mean, I got a reason for it.
Here, grab a hold. You ready? We're gonna shake. Remember? We go. They're jumping. Jump. Come on. I wub it. I really wub it. That's how you shake it up. Now, then you pour it in on top. Then, wait. Then you the coup de grace. Then you get your cross around. See, you get your cross around. You gotta have a cross.
Liar.
You don't have a cross. Then you float a little on top. And then you say night-night. And then you say bye-bye.
What's that?
That's boozers, baby kicks. That's boozers.
That's not the way to make it.
That's Jerry. That's a Jerry lemonade. You can't have it because your name's not Jerry. And that's my cross for the war. Remember that?
How about something one of these?
That was
Out? Okay.
a little sunflower. I had her yellow outfit.